Hey guys! Welcome back to the Unboxing Tito. Recently, in-unbox ko and review si Mi10T Pro 5G, followed by another phone sa Mi10T series, yung non-Pro version niya, si Mi10T 5G. Pero yung lagi ko nababasa sa mga comments, alin ba sa dalawang phones yung may mas better camera? Alin yung mas optimized for gaming? And for someone like me that owns both phones, alin ba yung may mas better value for money? In this video, I'm going to help you decide if worth it ba si Mi10T Pro 5G or better stick with the non-Pro version. My channel provides unboxing and reviews of all the hottest phones available today. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon para ma-notify ka each time mag-upload ako ng bagong video. So after all that, let's proceed with the comparison video. Oo nga pala, for those of you na hindi pa nakapanood ng unboxing and review nitong dalawang phones, I'll leave a link on the description box para mapanood nyo. To start off, let's talk about the price. Si Pro version is officially priced at $24,990, while the non-Pro version is priced at $19,990. But I got mine on sale at $17,990. But for the sake of this comparison video, let's stick with $17,990. So keep in mind na yung price difference nila is at 5,000 pesos. Yung pinakamalaking difference kasi nila is the camera. Kaya yun yung pag-usapan natin for today. Si Mi10T Pro has a 108MP main camera and a Samsung ISOCELL sensor. Samantalang si non-Pro is 64MP main camera and Sony IMX682 sensor. And besides the Pro version having an OIS, on paper, basically yun lang yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang camera nila. So I've taken multiple shots in different settings and scenarios para ma-compare natin yung camera performance nilang dalawa. So now, let's have a look at the camera samples. For our daytime videos, mas maliwanag yung kay Mi10T Pro dahil mas malaki yung aperture niya, which is 1.7 versus 1.9 na aperture naman ni non-Pro. In this next clip, kung mapapansin nyo, mas mataas yung contrast ni Mi10T. Mas dark yung register ng objects kaya hindi mo na masyadong makita yung details. So let's move on with our indoor video samples. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas pale yung skin tone ko kay Mi10T Pro. But if you'd ask me, mas malapit sa actual skin color ko yung kay Mi10T. Here, kung titignan yung graffiti, mas vibrant yung colors ni Mi10T, pero overall, mas maliwanag yung kay Mi10T Pro. Let's have a look at our nighttime video samples. When panning the video, I keep seeing this autofocus problem kay Mi10T, which is really bothering. Moving on, mas brighter pa rin yung kuha ni Mi10T Pro. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, mas kita yung contrast ng light and dark sa mga kuha ni Mi10T. Medyo disappointed ako sa shot na to kasi bukod sa blurry, medyo mataas yung noise sa kuha on both phones. After seeing the video samples on both phones, eto naman yung mga still shots. Sa daytime shots natin, mas vibrant and lively yung colors kay Mi10T Pro. At pagdating sa details, okay naman yung kuha on both phones. Let's take it up a notch and tingnan natin yung performance nila sa low light settings. As usual, mas maliwanag yung images na kuha ni Mi10T Pro compared kay Mi10T. Pero in this photo that I've taken during sunset, kung mapapansin nyo, mas madilaw yung araw at mas maganda yung pag-pick up ng color ni Mi10T. Sa portrait shots, I'm equally satisfied with both phones kasi na-identify nila properly yung object and na-blur nila evenly yung background. For both scenic and indoor shots, both phones produced equally impressive shots, with Mi10T Pro producing brighter and more detailed pictures dahil na rin sa kanyang 108MP sensor and larger aperture. But photos look better with Mi10T in terms of color accuracy and saturation in these less challenging settings. Now, let's proceed with our night shot. Sa mas challenging setting na to, yung kay Mi10T Pro is brighter but looks artificially enhanced, while kay Mi10T is mas natural and mas balanced yung pag-illuminate ng mga objects. So for the last part ng still shot samples natin, here are some selfie shots. With both phones having the same 20MP sensor, we kinda expect the same quality from the photos na makikita natin. And as far as I could see, almost the same quality naman yung detail and color na na-produce nila. After seeing all the still shot samples, here are some additional videos para makita nyo yung camera stability. On both phones, we're shooting in 4K at 60fps, and I'm going to pan a bit for you to see yung difference ng video quality ni Mi10T Pro 5G using the 108MP main camera and the Mi10T 5G using the 64MP main camera. For the detail, mas detailed syempre yung
nakuha ni Mi 10T Pro 5G compared kay non-pro version. And I'm very satisfied dun sa color register nung both phones. Sometimes nanonotice ko lang na yung sa autofocus ni Mi 10T, medyo nag-struggle siya. Sometimes pa nag-flicker yung camera. So let's try to walk para makita yung stability ng both phones. This road is slightly uphill. So makikita natin kung sino yung mas shaky. So far, ang ganda nung OIS ni Mi 10T Pro 5G. Very stable yung video natin. Compare dito sa Mi 10T 5G na slightly shaky since EIS lang yung gamit niya. If you look at the tree right here, mas kita yung detail niya compared kay Mi 10T 5G. So now we're going to shoot using the steady video mode ng both phones para makita natin kung gaano kalaki ba yung improvement ng stability using this feature. Okay, let's start to walk. So ang laki ng difference using the steady video mode. It's like using a gimbal. So I'll try to walk faster or jog a little bit. Okay. So as you could see, wala namang naging difference even if I jogged. Very stable pa din yung video camera niya. So for the selfie camera, we're shooting in 1080p at 30 fps. And we're expecting the same video quality from both phones kasi pareho silang 20MP yung sensor. So let's try to pan a bit lang para makita natin kung may stutters or may difference yung video quality. So far okay naman pareho. Walang stutters or problem sa autofocus. Okay, so let's try to walk a bit para makita natin yung stability while walking. I'm kinda pleased dun sa stability niya with the front camera. Hindi siya shaky. And yung colors, like I said, are very accurate. Very close to real life pag makikita mo siya live. So I'm going to try to jog a little bit para makita natin yung pagre-react ng phone dun sa mas mabilis na pagtakbo. Okay. So as you could see, very pleased naman tayo sa performance ng stability on both phone. That's it.
After seeing all the videos and camera samples, we are now ready to give our final thoughts. After using both of these phones for quite some time now, I can say that both of them have their own strengths and weaknesses. Mas better si Mi 10T Pro when it comes to low light setting. At dahil mataas yung sensor niya, kahit malayo yung object, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung detail. But with Mi 10T, kahit mababa yung sensor niya, I'm kinda surprised kasi may mga shots na mas maganda pa rin yung kuha niya. And to be honest, most of the time, mas vibrant yung colors sa mga photos ni Mi 10T. So to sum it up, if you're looking for the best value for your 25,000, go with the Mi 10T Pro. But if you're on a budget, don't worry kasi hindi ka mali-disappoint ni Mi 10T. Our next video will be a gaming comparison between these phones. Let me know in the comments kung anong mga games yung gusto nyo makita. So that's the end of our video and I hope nagustuhan nyo. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.